All right, so we did a few other videos, and I'm going to show you. First, you saw how we laid this out. Now you've seen how we burned these holes in other videos. Check this out. Ted, you want to look at it? This is going to drill my hole for my plant. Ted, I'm going to, all right? And what I do is I get rid of this dirt. This is there was a tree in here, and let's just do I don't know, we'll do like 6 of them. You see how fast it drills the hole? Okay. It's like I used to spend, I don't know, 5 minutes doing this, and now I could do it in a few seconds. So this is all right. Good. Some of these holes are a little bit larger than 4 inches. I sell these drill bits, by the way, if you're interested. All right, then what I do next is I get my shovel, come over here to the camera, and this is a little bit of horse manure, okay? You see, come here, shooting, Teddy, come over here. You see, it's 5 years old. Look at all these worms. So it's got a lot of worms, all right? So this is what we're gonna plant our plants in, all right? And this stuff is probably aged maybe 5 years, all right? And you saw how fast we did this, right? And it used to take me like 3 times as long before I figured out some of these tools, all right? So let's see what we're gonna plant here. We're gonna grab, I don't know, let's do this. We'll do some peppers here. So we're gonna do some peppers, all right? And watch how fast this goes down. This is the part you gotta kind of get on your knees. So I push the worms in, make a little hole, drop in my peppers, and this other dirt we're gonna sweep away, okay? And I got this yard here that's got holes, tripping hazards. What we're gonna do is probably fill in those holes so it's easier to cut the grass. Eventually, we're gonna have, this whole yard is gonna be a big garden. So I'll keep you posted. We kind of started late today because of the rain. We had some bad weather, way too much rain. Now see how fast this is going? It's amazing. With the when you drill, when you burn the holes, you don't cut yourself. You make perfect holes, you know. And also when you burn the holes, it kind of melts the material, so it won't keep burning. I'm sorry, it won't keep ripping. All right. Now some of these I grew in my buddy's greenhouse. It's Rossville, some I bought. So now I'll show you what we do next. So these are pretty quickly planted. All right. And now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to get out first. So I'm the only gardener that uses a broom. So I'm gonna broom this out. And then what I'll do is I'll get a hose. And I'll wash this down. And this stuff is permeable. Okay? So it will absorb water. It'll hold water. And it won't cook the plant. I tried using other products in the past. And last year I tried plastic. Don't do plastic. It doesn't work. All right, so Teddy, zoom in. You can see we got cow manure, plenty of space. We're gonna wash this, we're gonna hose it, we're gonna water it. Did you guys like that? Thanks for coming on. Hit. Finish.